Inside a beehive lies one of nature's most astonishing stories, a super-organized society, not a chaotic swarm. What may look like a simple cluster of insects from the outside is, in reality, a marvel of cooperation and order. Every movement, every sound, every fluttering wing has a purpose, contributing to the hive's remarkable efficiency. Each bee has a specific job, working in perfect harmony for the colony's survival. Some are foragers, venturing out to collect nectar and pollen, while others are builders, tirelessly constructing and repairing the hive's intricate architecture. There are even bees who act as guards, standing watch at the entrance to protect their home from intruders. From the moment a bee emerges, it has a purpose. No slackers, only contributors. Each new bee is welcomed into the bustling community and immediately begins to learn its role, guided by the needs of the colony and the signals from its fellow bees. They build the hive's waxen walls, gather food from miles around, and raise the next generation with meticulous care. Nurse bees feed and tend to the larvae, ensuring the future of the colony is secure. And at the heart of it all, they protect the queen with unwavering dedication. She is the mother of every bee in the hive, and her health is vital to the colony's survival. Worker bees groom her, feed her, and form a living shield around her, ensuring she can continue to lay eggs and sustain the population. This teamwork allows them to create intricate honeycombs, perfect hexagonal cells that maximize space and strength, a feat of natural engineering that has inspired humans for centuries. Within these cells, they store the honey we love, transforming simple nectar into liquid gold through a process of collaboration and patience. The hive is a living superorganism, each bee like a cell in a larger body. Together they function as one, responding to challenges and opportunities with collective intelligence. To truly understand honeybees, we must see the colony as a single, unified family and workforce. Against predators, they band together, using strength in numbers and coordinated defense to keep threats at bay. And when harsh weather strikes, their system ensures survival. Bees cluster together for warmth, reinforce their home, and share resources, demonstrating resilience and adaptability. In this journey, we'll uncover the secret social lives of bees, their unique ways of communicating, their rituals, and the silent language of the hive that keeps everything running smoothly. We'll see how they collaborate, share information, and make decisions as a group, creating one of Earth's most successful societies, one that has thrived for millions of years. Get ready to explore the hive's inner world, where every corner holds a new discovery, and every bee plays a vital part in the colony's story. It's an adventure into nature's most efficient city, a place where teamwork, dedication, and unity create a society unlike any other on Earth. At the heart of every hive is the queen bee, the mother and chemical commander of the colony. She's the largest bee, laying up to 2,000 eggs a day, ensuring the hive's future. Her pheromones act as royal decrees, keeping the colony unified and suppressing other females' reproduction. The queen doesn't rule by force, but by her biology and scent. Surrounded by her retinue, she's groomed and fed, focusing solely on egg-laying. Her long life, years compared to weeks for workers, provides stability. If she weakens, workers raise a new queen, never leaving the colony's fate to chance. The queen's well-being is the top priority. She is the hive's symbol of vitality. Her presence is the glue that holds the society together. Without her, the colony cannot survive. She is the living heart of the hive. Worker bees are the hive's hands, brain, and backbone, all female, all daughters of the queen. Their lives are a whirlwind of essential tasks, changing as they age. Young workers clean cells, then become nurse bees, feeding larvae royal jelly. As they mature, they process nectar, build honeycomb, and regulate hive climate. Some become undertakers, removing dead bees to keep the hive healthy. The oldest workers take on the riskiest jobs, foraging for nectar, pollen, and water, and guarding the hive. Foraging is perilous, exposing them to predators and the elements. After weeks of tireless work, their bodies wear out. They literally work themselves to death for the colony. Every role is vital, and every worker is a hero in the hive's story. Their selfless labor keeps the colony thriving. The hive's success rests on their tiny shoulders. Drones are the only male bees, larger, with huge eyes for spotting queens in flight. They don't gather food or defend the hive, their sole purpose is to mate with a virgin queen. On sunny days, drones gather in the sky, waiting for a queen's nuptial flight. Only the fastest, strongest drones succeed, ensuring genetic diversity. Mating is fatal for the drone. His life ends moments after fulfilling his purpose. Most drones never mate, and are expelled from the hive before winter, unable to survive alone. Though their lives are short and often grim, drones are essential for the species' survival. Their sacrifice spreads genes between colonies, keeping honeybee populations healthy. The drone story is brief but vital. They are nature's genetic messengers. In the hive's darkness, bees communicate through dances, scents, and vibrations. The waggle dance is their most famous language, mapping out food sources with direction and distance. A bee's dance tells her sisters exactly where to find flowers, using the sun as a compass. The round dance signals food close to the hive, sparking excitement among foragers. Dancers also share the scent and taste of nectar, giving a full sensory report. Pheromones are equally crucial. Queen pheromones unify the colony, while alarm scents rally defenders. Bees mark valuable flowers and guide lost sisters home with chemical trails. This silent language lets thousands of bees coordinate perfectly. Their communication is a masterpiece of nature's engineering. It's how the hive thinks and acts as one. The hive's remarkable success is built on a foundation of division of labor, where every bee has a specialized role, and each task is crucial to the colony's survival. This intricate system ensures that the hive operates smoothly, with every bee contributing to the greater good. Within the hive there are three main castes: the queen, the drones, and the workers. Each caste has a unique and vital job. The queen is the mother of the colony, laying thousands of eggs to ensure the hive's future. Drones, the male bees, exist primarily to mate with a new queen, while the workers, female bees, take on a wide variety of responsibilities. Among the worker bees, tasks are divided by age in a fascinating process. Young bees, just days old, begin their lives by cleaning the honeycomb cells and acting as nurses, feeding and caring for the developing larvae deep within the hive. As these workers grow older, their duties shift. They become builders, constructing the wax comb and processing nectar into honey. Eventually, the oldest workers take on the most dangerous jobs, venturing outside the hive to forage for nectar and pollen, or standing guard at the entrance to protect against threats. This age-based job rotation is known as temporal polyethism. It's a clever system that keeps the youngest, most vulnerable bees safe inside, while the more experienced, older bees face the risks outside. This not only maximizes efficiency but also helps protect the colony's future. Specialization allows each task to be performed with incredible skill and precision. Whether it's building perfect hexagonal cells or storing honey with care, every job is done expertly, ensuring the hive's smooth operation. The hive is like a living multitasking machine. While some bees are out gathering food, others are busy building, repairing, or cleaning inside. This constant activity keeps the colony thriving. Some bees dedicate themselves to caring for the young, while others stand ready to defend the hive from intruders. Every role is essential, and together, they create a harmonious, well-organized society. Flexibility is also a key part of this system. If the colony's needs change, if there's a sudden abundance of nectar or a new threat, bees can quickly switch roles to meet the demand, showing remarkable adaptability. When flowers are blooming and nectar is plentiful, more bees head out to forage, bringing back the resources the hive needs to grow and prosper. But if danger approaches, more workers become guards, forming a living shield at the hive's entrance to protect their home. This ability to adapt and reorganize ensures the hive's resilience, allowing it to recover quickly from challenges and continue thriving. The division of labor is truly the secret to the honeybee's efficiency and survival. Every bee's work, no matter how small, is vital to the colony's success. It's a powerful example of teamwork in nature. The colony thrives because every bee plays their part, working together in perfect harmony to build, protect, and sustain their remarkable world. A honeybee colony is the ultimate team. No bee survives alone, but together, they achieve wonders. Each bee, no matter how small, plays a vital role in the survival and prosperity of the hive. Their lives are intricately connected, and their success depends on their ability to work as one harmonious unit. Their collective power is seen in thermoregulation. Bees cluster to keep the brood warm in winter, rotating positions to share the burden. The bees on the outside gradually move inward, while those in the center take turns braving the cold, ensuring that no single bee is overexposed. This constant movement and cooperation allow the colony to survive even the harshest winters, protecting the next generation within. In summer, they cool the hive by fanning wings and spreading water, creating natural air conditioning. Dozens, sometimes hundreds of bees work in unison, their tiny wings beating rapidly to circulate air and evaporate moisture. This keeps the hive at just the right temperature for the queen and her developing brood, demonstrating the power of synchronized effort. Every bee's small effort adds up to climate control on a grand scale. Whether it's gathering nectar, building wax comb, or tending to larvae, each task is essential. The hive's environment is carefully maintained through the combined actions of thousands of individuals, each contributing their part to the greater good. Swarming is another feat of teamwork. When the colony splits, scouts search for new homes and use dances to debate the best site. The famous waggle dance is more than just a performance, it's a sophisticated form of communication, allowing bees to share information about potential new locations. The entire colony listens, evaluates, and ultimately reaches a consensus. The swarm decides democratically, then moves as one to their new home. This collective decision-making ensures the best possible outcome for the group, and the synchronized flight of thousands of bees is a breathtaking display of unity and purpose. These acts of cooperation are the foundation of the hive's success. Bees share food mouth to mouth, distribute resources, and build intricate honeycombs together. Their ability to communicate, coordinate, and support one another is what allows the colony to thrive. Every decision, every action is made for the good of the colony. Whether it's caring for the queen, feeding the young, or defending the hive from intruders, each bee puts the needs of the group above its own. This selflessness is at the heart of their collective strength. Their teamwork is a lesson in unity and resilience. When disaster strikes, be it a broken comb or a sudden storm, the bees respond together, repairing damage and supporting one another through adversity. Their ability to adapt and overcome challenges is a testament to the power of collaboration. The hive's strength is in its togetherness. The bustling activity, the constant communication, and the shared sense of purpose all contribute to a thriving, healthy colony. It is this unity that allows them to build, grow, and endure. Alone, a bee is fragile. Together, they are unstoppable. The story of the honeybee colony is a powerful reminder that when individuals come together, they can accomplish far more than they ever could alone. Their collective success is a model for us all, showing that unity, cooperation, and shared purpose can overcome even the greatest challenges. The hive's social structure is designed for survival and reproduction, not just of individuals but of the colony itself. The queen's relentless egg-laying, supported by workers' care, keeps the population strong. In spring, workers raise new queens by feeding select larvae royal jelly in special cells. The first new queen to emerge eliminates rivals, ensuring only one leader. She then mates with drones, securing the colony's genetic future. This process allows for both queen replacement and colony swarming. Swarming spreads honeybees across the landscape, multiplying their success. It's a collective investment in the next generation. The honeybee colony is a marvel of natural engineering, a society where every member has a purpose. Through teamwork, communication, and division of labor, bees achieve what no individual could alone. The hive is a superorganism, resilient and adaptable, thriving through cooperation. Their story is a testament to the power of working together. Next time you see a bee, remember she's part of a complex, inspiring city. The secret social life of honeybees is a lesson in unity and dedication. Nature's genius is on full display in the hive. Truly, the beehive is one of the world's greatest wonders.